Hi everyone. तो मैं आया था हाफलोंग in a program. I was invited by North Katsar Hills Autonomous Council, जहाँ पे गोपीनाथ बदोलोई एलपी स्कूल का नया बिल्डिंग का इनॉग्रेशन हुआ. In at the same time, e-Dima portal for online attendance of teachers and students was launched, and also books for Dimasa language MIL and elective subject was also launched for the upcoming year from class 9, 10 it will continue. Also the candidate जिन्होंने इस बार APSC CC एग्ज़ाम को क्लियर किया था उन्हें फेलिसिटेट किया गया थ्रू अवर ऑनरेबल CM सर.